Alright guys, we're back again. Hopefully this time, it's gonna work this time. Alright, there we go. Step forward. The water's just starting. Keep going. Keep going. Go. This is red. Now stop.
Yes, Sneaky Moons, it looks like it's working.
Yep. Well, when we came, it just didn't work automatically.
She gave us a better one for free.
Yep.
This is the best one. With the special soap.
It's just the water's rainbow looking color. It's like a rainbow type of color on this. And they are small ones. Now. Hot brush should be coming any moment too. I see it. It's coming right up towards us. There's the top brush. It just looks like water again.
That's the water to get the soap.
Yep, looks like it's, and that's probably the end of it. What was it doing? Another, I think it's water again. Yep, it's not done yet.
That's wax.
Looks like it's in the wax real quick, probably. It's about finished, just about. Oh, it's just a lot of water here. So you can see the light right there, the rainbow color light. Rainbow color light on the arrows.
Are those LED lights?
I don't know what they are. Maybe they are. I don't know. That's why that. It's called the rope light. I don't know the name of that light. It's called. Fast too. Water's still going. It's just cleaning off the car. That's what it's doing, probably. See back there too. And
She gave us the deluxe wash.
this is what, and that's what the deluxe wash would look like if you've seen it.
That's why it does so many times back and forth.
That's the final thing it gives us.
This is the best wash we got.
Yep, it gives you the best amount. The brushes start first, and then it starts going through the. So you see, there's a timer right there. You got a timer right at the end there. You got 70 seconds to get out.
Dry.
So you look up the timer, you zoom in, you can see it. $50 seconds left. 50 seconds remaining. What happens if you don't move? What happens if you don't? What would happen if you didn't move?
Just turn on.
30 seconds. gonna stay. 30 seconds. And 20 seconds remaining. And round ends in 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's all it does. That's what happens. Alright, that'll be it for the video. I think we'll stop now.